In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to push your local files to a Bitbucket repository using Git commands in the terminal. We'll walk through each command together, step by step. First, you'll want to open your terminal and enter the git init command on the command line. This initializes a new Git repository in your current directory. Now we need to connect your local repository to Bitbucket. Type git remote add origin, then paste in your Bitbucket repository URL right after it. The git add dot command will stage all the files in your directory that you want to push to the repository. Go ahead and enter that now. It's always good to verify everything is staged correctly. Run git status here, and you'll see a list of all the files that are ready to be committed. Time to commit your changes. Enter git commit -m followed by a brief message in quotation marks that describes what you're committing, like initial commit, or whatever makes sense for your work. Here's the final step. Type git push origin master to send all your committed files up to the Bitbucket repository. Perfect! Your local files have now been successfully pushed to your Bitbucket repository, and you can see them reflected here in your commit history. That's all there is to it. You now know how to push files from your local machine to Bitbucket using these basic Git commands.